This is your conductivity meter. It's very important to use this when testing the softeners because if you do see salt residual, you're going to get a false positive for hardness. The water conductivity coming from the softeners needs to equal that of the makeup water to ensure you are not seeing salt interference. Again, you will triple rinse your meter. And hit COND for conductivity on the meter itself. If you do have a reading over 10,000 microsiemens, you're going to see a decimal and the units switch from a US to an MS. This Myron also includes a pH sensor off to the right, which is protected by this cap. It is important to keep this sensor wet at all times with the storage solution, otherwise it'll dry out and no longer provide accurate results. Triple rinse. And select pH. You may have to give it 10 to 30 seconds to allow the reading to balance out. Running the DR-900 silica test. You will navigate to program 656 on the Hach DR-900. Once doing so, you will prep your sample. You are going to have to dilute due to the high silica content in the tower water. Triple rinse your container with DI water. Fill 9 milliliters. And then 1 milliliter of tower sample water. $10 milliliters in total. You will select 0 on the meter. Once your sample has been zeroed, you will first add the molybdate reagent. Allow this powder to completely dissolve into solution. And then you will add the acid reagent. A yellow color will begin to form. You will then reinsert the vial, select Options, and Start Timer. The timer will begin for 10 minutes. After waiting the 10 minutes, you'll pull the sample back out and add the citric acid. You will then again select Options, Start Timer, Timer 2, which will run for another 2 minutes. Once this 2 minutes has completed, you will then be able to hit Read in the top right of the meter to obtain your result.